In this video, we're going to have a look at the payment options available in EventPrime if you want to charge for your event. And we're going to look at the EventPrime offline payments and also the EventPrime Stripe payments. PayPal payment options are available for free in the free edition. So we'll activate those two plugins. Activated, we'll head over to EventPrime. So here we are on the EventPrime dashboard. We'll head over to our event and we'll head over to the dashboard for the event. So here we are on the dashboard and we'll go into our event settings. On the event settings, we'll scroll down and we will look at the booking price and we'll change that booking price to, let's make it $20. And we'll scroll down and that's all that we need to do on that page. We'll save that. And now we need to go and activate those payment options. We'll head over to Global Settings. So we'll head over to the Payments options. First thing we see is that we can select our currency from the drop-down list, and we'll see that there is a note here that the default currency for accepting payments, usually this will be the default currency in your PayPal account. Here we can select PayPal. PayPal is also available for the free account of EventPrime. We'll just leave that in the sandbox mode. We're not going to put in any other PayPal details. If we want to have a look at the Stripe settings, head back to Payments, select Stripe, head over to Configure. You'll need a secret key and a publishable key, which you'll get from your Stripe account. Nothing to do there. So we won't make that active, and then collect payments offline and manually update booking status within EventPrime's dashboard. Somebody makes a payment into your bank account, notifies you, you can then come into EventPrime and manually update their account. Let's hit save. Right, so that has been completed, and let's go and have a look at what that looks like on the front end. So we'll head over to the front end of the plugin. Here we are already on an events page, so we'll register for a booking. And we're not logged in at the moment, which is why we're given this option to register, but we do have a user profile, so let's log in and we'll enter the password. And then log into the website. Right, so here we are logged in, and let's head over to the events page then. Here we are on the events page. We'll head over to the event and we'll make a booking. So here we are, the event page is loading for the bookings. Right, and as you can see, these are the seats available. So we'll choose that seat, and we'll call that Demo 5. And Demo 6. We'll proceed from there. And here we are on the booking summary page, you'll see there's the event, the demo venue, the seat numbers, and a total of $40 is due for the event. So we can either choose to pay with PayPal, and you'll see that only after selecting a payment method can we proceed. So should I select PayPal and click proceed? I will be redirected to PayPal. So that's where I would make my payment to PayPal. Alternatively, if I was going to do a manual payment, right, let's have a look at doing another booking. We'll choose those two. Demo 8. We'll proceed to the next screen. So we've selected the offline option and we direct it to the checkout. And you'll see that we have in fact been given access to the event. However, the payment reconciliation would occur offline. So important to then include in your confirmation mail the bank account details so that the user can make the payment. If I head over to my user profile page, and I go to the demo event, you will see that the offline payment status is pending. And should I go to the PayPal account, you will see that the booking status is pending. So once again, we need to just make sure that that payment has been received by PayPal. Let's head back here to our demo event and let's have a look at our ticket. Right, so here is our ticket, and you'll see that the price used to indicate free now indicates the $20 as well. Right, so that's the integration of the payment method. If we wanted now to, for example, we wanted to change the offline pending status to paid, we would then head back to our event and we would look at our attendees. In the booking status here, you would see there is pending. So this is the pending payment. And you'll see here are the details for that booking. The email, amount due, booked on, booking status, and let's head back. And now we want to change the status of the attendee from pending to paid. So let's head over to our event dashboard. Here we have the latest bookings that were made. So we know that it was that one for PayPal. And the PayPal account will say cancel because we didn't actually complete the PayPal transaction. We can select back. Right, and then if we look at the payment made with the offline payment, so you'll see here the summary, and you'll see that the offline payment status is pending. If I come in and say received, that will then update the booking status to received. Let's resend the booking confirmation email. Okay, and we can hit back. So let's take a look at the email that was sent. So this is a copy of the email sent to say that your booking is confirmed, demo event, number of tickets, and the price. So if we wanted to look at the history of that transaction, of that user, we could go into view their account, their booking, and scroll down, and we can have a look at the transaction log, and that will tell us payment status completed, offline status, received, total amount, payment gateway was offline, and the amount of 40 was paid. We can also add a note to say what happened if we want to, and we'll just head on back. Now if we're going to have a look at the analytics, you will see that we can now have a look at analytics from a revenue as well as a booking perspective. So let's have a look at revenue. We will say this month, demo venue, demo event, and filter. Right, so there's the indication of the revenue which was received. And if we change that now to booking and filter, we can now see the booking information for the same event. And there we have the booking information for this month. Number of bookings with 4. Right, so that wraps up adding payment methods to your events. One more thing though before I go is to go and have a look at tickets, because in the ticket section you can also make an adjustment to the price, allowing for a bulk discount if several tickets are purchased. If we go and have a look at the demo event ticket, you'll remember that this was the template that we set up. We'll head over to that specific event. We'll head over to the dashboard. And then we'll go over to tickets in the dashboard for the event. And this is where we can give a person a discount should they purchase several tickets. So what we're saying here, it's a demo event and allow volume discount. And we will. And if we say they order 3 tickets, the discount percentage will be 20%. Save. I'll head back to the front end of the website, I'll go over to events. I will make a booking and I'll purchase several tickets. Right, here we are. So I will purchase 4 tickets. Let's just give these a different name. We will proceed to confirm our booking. Right, so 4 times 20, $80. However, there's our discount amount. I can then go and make a payment. So in this case, we'll do an offline payment. Right, so that has been confirmed. And I will then look in the back end and change the status then for this particular sale. Right, so let's go and change that to approving the receipt of the funds. Right, so here we have the ticket information and we will change pending to received. Yes, we do. With that received, we will head back. And let's look at the email that we received for this order, including the discounted value. And as you can see, demo event, the tickets, and also the total discounted amount, and then the subtotal of what is due. Well, that wraps up the different payment options and how they integrate into the workflow when the user's making the payment, and also then how you as the manager for the event can go in and acknowledge that payment has been received. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.